I'm going to start with solving for the variable in this pattern. So here I'm looking for what is changing as I move from figure 1 to figure 2 to figure 3. So in figure 1, I've got one large green stack, one small orange stack of 3. And then when I go to figure 2, I now have a second orange stack of 3. And in figure 3, I have a third orange stack. So what's happening is I am adding 3 each time I move. So my variable is going to be 3n. Each time I move to a new figure, I'm multiplying the term by 3. Then, as I go to solve for my constant, this is where I like to move back to my term 0, and I am going to do the opposite of the adding 3 to get back there. I'm going to take away 3. If I take away 3, which is essentially getting rid of this stack from figure 1, what I am left with is I am left with one green stack of 5 cubes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, one green stack of 5 cubes. So my constant, what I'm starting with that isn't changing, is each time I have plus 5. Let's put that all together then. So we've got our algebraic expression is 3n plus 5. And if I'm going to solve for the 10th term, I'm going to put in 3 times 10 plus 5. 3 times 10 is 30, plus 5 is 35. My answer then would be I need 35 blocks for the 10th term.